mix this up. Scared.
It doesn't look like it moved at all.
Exactly. Hello.
Hello and welcome back to Lab Cats, where curiosity doesn't kill the cat. Today we're trying salads. I'm not excited for this.
I am because I love salads.
Get healthy.
Have you tried any of these brands before?
I have actually, as you may know, that I keep having these quite a lot, quite often. But I have no idea what these other brands are. This looks like
Subway. This one is.
this is new, I believe. Salad Days.
Oh,
Never heard of it.
Yeah. Quinoa and grilled veggie salad does not sound very appetizing.
What's this stuff that looks like sand?
It's quinoa.
Oh, this is Harvest Salad Co. You know, fun fact: Harvest Salad Co. and Maze have the same parent company. They have the same kitchen,
Nice.
but one is more into salads and the other gives it a little Mexican twist. I want to try that last because that's my favorite. Let's do the experimental
Oh, you want to keep
part.
the best for the
Yes,
last.
definitely.
So, Subway.
Salads are one of my favorites, so I'm always excited. Oh my god, that quantity is
Not
too
that-
less.
Not that much. I kind of expected
This.
Oh, really?
This bowl is so huge for this
Yeah.
quantity. Oh my god.
This is a shame.
Doesn't look appetizing at all.
Wait, cheers.
Tastes like Subway just without the bread.
Yeah, exactly. It tastes good, but it doesn't taste like a salad honestly.
It tastes like Subway.
Yeah, it tastes like Subway.
How much would you rate this?
Because it's not giving me the salad vibe, I would say maybe a 6.5.
Oh, I'd give it a 3.
Whoa!
Yes, because
harsh.
1, it doesn't taste like salads at all. 2, the quantity is so less.
Yeah. I mean, look at the size
So,
of this bowl.
Yeah, exactly. Let's just put it away. I don't want to look at it. I'm really glad that we started with this.
Very sorry.
So we can move on to something nice, hopefully.
Okay, India's Harvest.
Is this heavy enough? I don't want to be disappointed.
I mean, it does feel like it.
Great,
I
great.
feel like
Exciting.
it won't be half a bowl, you know?
Oh,
Okay,
nice.
Now this
Looks good, yes.
looks good.
Yeah, but I'm not sure if this is curdled or something, but it smells fine. So the sauce seemed curdled. It does not seem smooth. So I do not want the tomatoes.
You don't like tomatoes?
No.
You eat
Sad.
salad every day.
Yeah, but without tomatoes.
Cheers.
Cheers. Eh? Cheers. Quite good. This is actually good. Okay.
Tastes like a salad. for me.
Definitely.
Yeah.
How much would you rate this?
I would give it a 7.5 because
Yeah.
it tastes really good. I can taste all the different
Flavors,
whatever is in it.
ingredients.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, very refreshing also. And yeah, loved it. So 7.5. Actually, I would give it an 8.
I maybe would give it a 7 because for me personally, I feel that the sauce is a little too less. But otherwise, the crunch is good. It seems fresh. The quantity is good, and I'm
Yeah.
already salivating. I can't wait to have some more.
You're waiting for the last one,
I'm
right?
waiting for all. This is good. That was bad. This
Yeah.
is really good.
Yeah.
So we are trying Maze for last. Okay.
Okay.
We do Salad Days. Add the dressing, close the lid, shake, shake, shake. Oh,
Okay.
so cool. That's an easy way to mix. I'm scared to mix this up.
It doesn't look like it moved at all.
Exactly. But the lid is loose, so I'm just scared.
Wait. It still doesn't look like. You know
Anyway,
what?
let's just-
Actually,
let's
I
just
would.
do it.
I think.
Okay. Yes. It's actually nice.
Whoa.
Now I want to try it. It's really good. Wow.
Didn't know that quinoa could taste like this.
Yeah,
Very refreshing, crunchy,
definitely.
and
I think
wow.
this will be quite filling, you know.
Yeah, I mean, look at the quantity.
Yeah.
So good.
Veggies they've
A
added.
lot of veggies,
Yeah.
but like it doesn't feel like I'm just eating veggies.
Yeah.
Salad Days, good job, guys. Please sponsor us. Okay. Rating.
Yeah. I would give it an 8.5 definitely. It's really good.
I would give it a 9.
Really? And now for the
Okay.
last one!
Your favorite?
Yes. Maize.
Then this,
It's amazing.
it looks really good, but again, this is a salad. Whoa.
See, this is how much sauce they should give. Make it quick, woman.
ए रहा नहीं जाता तड़प ही ऐसी है ना
Cheers. As always.
It's like a 10. Like I'm giving it a 10.
See, I told you.
I want to put the nachos.
Yeah, I was just gonna suggest. I'm just so happy having this.
Even though the quantity is not that much, I feel like this would fill you.
Yeah. But as compared to the salad days, I think that is still more filling than this
Oh,
one.
absolutely. I don't think I would be able to finish that. That's like
Really?
so
yeah,
much.
yeah, yeah. On second thoughts, yeah,
Yeah.
I agree. So you mentioned you're giving this a
10. Please, Antarosh.
9.5 easily.
You eat this every day.
There's always room for improvement.
I mean, I'm like a hardcore non-vegetarian, so
Same.
it is really surprising that I liked it so much.
Yeah, I mean, considering that they were pure veg, they were
Yeah.
really good.
Yeah.
Did not miss chicken in these at all.
Out of all the four, what's your top one?
Maize,
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yes.
I think Maize, Salad Days, Harvest, and then Subway.
Yeah.
I think the order we went trying them, it's just the reverse order
Reverse
of
of
everything.
that. So Maze wins, yay.
Maybe Maize should sponsor.
I mean, I've been saying that.
We'll reach out to you.
I'm broke, nigga. I'm broke.
This is really fun. I can maybe be a salad person now.
Yeah.
Uh,
If there's any other salads that you like and you want us to try, you all can drop a
Yeah.
comment.
please subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Keep watching Black Cats.
Follow CC'd for more such content.